I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Landrover Discovery. So from any screen we can either go to home or straight to the Navi. The Navi is this waypointer there, the arrow, so that's home. Navigation, so you can click on there, search for a place, or if you just go straight to Navi. However, if you go straight to Navi, it's not all that clear. It doesn't show you a whole lot here, but what you've got to do, I'll just show you. If you click that, that's view options. We don't want that, so we go back. But if you click these 6 boxes with the white, in the white circle, click on there, then you've got search address places, search places at your destinations. We click on search. That comes up with this, with a keyboard. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A. Now you get there, normally you'd have to click on there to confirm, but what you have to do, you have to enter it. So click on the enter button. Now it's searching offline. That's it. Where are you looking for? Sorry, were you looking for this? Yes. Right, again, there's nothing there. So but you've got to actually click on it. No internet connection, navigation connected features unavailable, blah blah blah. Yeah, okay, click OK, and then you've got to click start. That's it.